Hi everyone, it's Nasser here. So it's been a day since I got into my trade, and obviously, as I shown in the previous video, the price of oil did actually start shooting up. So pretty good timing by me. I did expect the price to sort of recede overnight and get a good entry point for another trade the next day. So today I'm going to go into another trade. I'm going to fast forward the video so you can see what I've done. Sorry, I didn't catch the full video of the trade that I was placing. So as you can see, the price has started to increase again on this second day. So I'm just quickly going through the different options, having a quick look at the charts to see if there's any sort of anomalies or any random behavior that unsettles me. And then I'm going to go ahead and open my positions. As you can see, I've done my call position, the new one. I've got three. I should have two actually. The 26.5 strike was by accident. I was clicking and clicking on my trade, and plus 500 wasn't executing my trade, and my platform crashed and I had to restart, but I didn't realize somehow the trade went through. So that's that. So now I have to go ahead and buy my puts, which is for my hedge, because I'm not going to just leave I'm not going to leave three calls on the trade. I'm going to do a straddle, so I need some puts as well. I should have done them much earlier actually, so I'm a little bit late, but no worries. No major price changes just yet. So I'm going to find my puts and I'm going to go ahead and buy these. Just bear with me while I go quiet for a while. As I'm looking at this, I noticed that I haven't set my limit orders for closing my trade. Suppose I'm not around and the price hits my target. I want it to close out because oil is really volatile at the moment, so there's a good chance I'll miss out. So I'm just going to put those limits on. And back to what I was trying to do, which is to buy the puts. Just bear with me. I'm just having a quick look at these positions just to see how many options are in there, because I got to make sure my puts are balanced with the calls that I have. So as you can see, later on that day the oil just kept shooting up, and again, what incredible timing I got in. As you can see, my portfolio is up by £2,600 already. In fact, my portfolio is nearly doubled within a couple of days, so that's pretty impressive. Just having a quick look at my positions. As you can see, my calls are in profit because I was expecting oil to rise. My puts do have losses, but don't forget my net, which is my profit minus my loss, is still a profit. Your hedge position will always make a loss. That's the whole idea, because if it goes against you, then that will save you. So you got to take that loss. Just having a quick look at my positions and just keeping a note on my trading direction, so to speak. And I know it's very unprofessional the way I'm doing it. Okay, fair enough, but hey, 10 years later I'm starting out again, and I thought I'll just keep things simple, because my objective here is to grow this portfolio, not make fancy videos or do all these cool sophisticated spreadsheet stuff. Just the bare basics that I need. Just having a quick look at this oil price, and it looks pretty stretched out to me. I would imagine it would go somewhere close to my target of 5.5, but I don't think it will hit it. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to bring my target down actually as soon as I've done all my data collection. As you can see on my spreadsheet, I'm keeping a record of what's been happening with the price movement, so that I can reflect back at it and I can remind myself what was happening. So yeah, I've revised my target down to 5.1 because I want to close out today. I feel like oil's just shot up a bit too much. 15% and another 15-16% is quite a lot. So I would imagine there will be some profit taking and shorting going on after today. So I prefer to close out. I've set my price, my target rather, at 5.1. So I'm just going to spend a few minutes just watching here. I fast forwarded the video so it's a much quicker watch for you. I literally was sitting there for a good few minutes. I think it was about 15-20 minutes. I was just sitting there watching these candlesticks move because I just needed to get as close as possible to 5.10. Quick glance at the virtual portfolio, and that's doing incredibly well. Yeah, so sorry I couldn't show you the actual closing. That was executed automatically at 5.1. So that was pretty good. So here I'm just going to give you a quick look at the portfolio. So we've got 10,301 account size, so just a bit more than doubled. I've only got one position left, which is the market position, and expecting the market to go down, so I've got a trade on that.